Hello, I'm Joanne Law from Mediation Institute, and in this little video I'm going to show you the snipping tool. If you've got a PC, you've already got this snipping tool installed on your computer. The easiest way to find it is to, in the search thing right down on the bottom left of your screen, start typing snipping. This is what the snipping tool looks like. That's the snip I did before, and I've just inserted into the video. When you want to create a snip, you just click on New, and then that'll take you to your screen. I'm not actually showing you anything. Hold down your left mouse key, drag the shape that you want, and then that will create a snip of whatever's on your screen. Are you seeing my version of the snipping tool now on the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So I just made a little image of one of my slides.
How did you do that again? You pressed New.
So I clicked on New.
Yeah.
And it'll open up my computer. Now I'm not sure if you're seeing this. So, and then I just drag it. So it makes the computer kind of grey and cloudy, and then it turns it into a drink. So why don't you just try it on your computer? Okay. And just anything that you've got open, when you click on New, it'll make the computer kind of cloudy, and you'll get like a little cross sign, and then you can just drag something, and then it'll turn into a little image.
If you like the snipping tool,
Ooh,
type in snip and it comes up in that little menu thing. If you right click that, you can pin it to your taskbar. Make it easier to find.
Yeah, so you can have it down the bottom whenever you want to, and then you can save it. So it'll save it as an image. You can copy it and then paste it into a document. So let's say you were doing a document and you wanted to show someone maybe something on your website that they need to click. You could do open your website, do a little snip, and then just paste it into your document. Quick as a wink.
Yeah.
You can also highlight. So you might say, you can use the little highlighter. So do that. Or you can open Paint 3D and do really more fancy editing on it. And if you're wanting to, you can also have a little delay before it snips. So sometimes if you're doing something that's moving, you might want to do that. So was everyone able to get the little snipping tool up and snip something?
Yes, that was really cool. Thank you. Could you use it for a document like a PowerPoint that you don't want to have the actual original for, John?
Well, you could, but the best way would be to save it as a Adobe PDF.
But can't people undo PDFs?
Well, they could. Or the other thing is you can, the other thing that you can do with a PowerPoint is you can click Save a Copy. You can turn your PowerPoint into a series of images. So you could use Snipping Tool, but if you go Save a Copy, so you can do it as Adobe, but if you've got the fancy pants Adobe, you can unlock anything that's locked. But if you do Save a Copy, you decide where you want to save it, and then this drop down, you can save it into all sorts of different things. So you can save it as a JPEG, which is the name for an image, or a PNG, which is another type of image.
Does that mean people can't unlock JPEGs?
Yeah, well, they're an image.
PNGs?
They can't,
It's like a photo, yeah.
It's a photo. So you can basically, and when you do, let's say I'm going to say I want this as a PNG, which is a good quality image, and then I'm going to, this is wanting to save. So I want to save it. I'll just pretend I'm going to save it on my, in my documents folder, Techie Tuesday, and I'm going to, and it asks me, do I want to save all slides or is it just one? So PowerPoint's really good for making images or diagrams or models. Yep. So a really good way is use PowerPoint to create that, and then save it as an image, and then you've created a beautiful image. So let's say, so for you, someone like you, Vanita, who's making courses and things like that.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking,
Yeah, I use it a lot. So anytime I, and I might want to change the type of slide. So I might want a blank slide so it doesn't have any distractions. and then I can create an image, and I might use SmartArt to make something.
I love SmartArt.
Yeah, and then I can save that as an image, and then I've got a photo. Or I might be really lazy and I might use my snipping tool and I just snip the picture. Don't even bother to save it, and then I can snip straight into something else. So really, really quick way to work with graphics, which we all know we use a lot nowadays. I hope that was helpful. Go and try it now, using the snipping tool and saving a PowerPoint slide as an image. Remember, if you're a Mediation Institute member, we have Techie Tuesday every Tuesday. Just go to the events calendar on our website. Like and subscribe to this feed, whoever you are, and we'll have regular updates of little techie tips and tools for non-technical people to make better use of this digital world we find ourselves in. Till next time, bye.